Let's talk about adding additional fields. You may have a really good reason to add additional fields other than what comes with Connect. For example, we have our background is financial services. We have a financial service company where we service businesses and their credit card processing accounts. If you have one of those accounts, you have what's called a merchant identification number. You have some sort of terminal that you use to run your transactions. So let's say I'm doing customer service with Connect for that company. So maybe what I'd want to do is, let's say, if this is what a record looks like, I might want to add something where I can at a glance see the merchant identification number, what kind of equipment they have, or maybe, maybe we're doing customer service on Connect or marketing with Connect, and I want to see what user level they have. So let's look at this. It's very easy to add custom fields. It's right here. So let's say it's a merchant identification number. We put it in. There it is. There's their number, and we hit update. So now, there it is. And so if we go, well, yeah, but I want to show it up here. Because remember, at a glance, we have everything in Connect is designed exactly the way it is for a reason, with millions of records and flowing through years and years of data, how it works best. So we go, we really want to see it at a glance. So we go up here to Settings, click on Settings, go to Contact, go down to Custom Fields. There's our custom fields that we just entered. We go, all right, Display. And also, by the way, it's in numeric, should I care. Update, and that's how it works, and then I go back, and there it is. So I can see it there. I'm always going to see it here, but now it's at a glance I can find it. So I can choose to have, let's say if I wanted to add another field called terminal type, and I would say throwback here, Zahn Jr. I could say update, and that too, you see, so now I have this information down here. Some information you want to see at a glance and some you don't care. But in any case, you can always search for it. You can drill down and filter. For example, if I wanted, custom fields are always down at the bottom. So terminal type equals Zahn Jr. If I said apply, there's all everybody with the Zahn Jr. Now let's say those are old terminals, and if I have some reason to call, let's say on that one security, is really lacking. So I'm going to want to call maybe all merchants, and I want to see what kind of equipment they have. Well, it'd be handy to be able to see it right here at a glance, right? And so here's how you make that show up. Terminal type. I'm going to have not only displaying the it's right here. So I can have it show up in that list. And there it is. So I can cruise down and I can see. So it can also do that. Let's say if I were customer serving Connect and I just had all basic users, I could search for all basic users, give them a call really fast, and I could say, hey, you know what, we've got a new feature. If you want to upgrade, it's cheap or free for a month or 10 times the price because it's so cool. Whatever the case is, it makes life really easy. And let's say you go, man, I don't want to do that. Well, you can always undo what we've done. You can, in fact, you can delete custom fields. And here's how you do that. Custom fields, bam, bam. So now they're temporarily, they're not completely gone, because when you do delete those, you delete all the data. But let's say you just don't want to search for them or have them up in the top left. You can put them over here. When you definitely do want to get rid of them forever and ever, you can delete like this. And now they are completely gone. Can't search by them. I can see it up here, and I can see it down there. So that's how those work. They're really slick, and there's good reason to add those. Now it fits whatever business that you're doing. And of course, when you import, if you have a list that already has let's say if we went from one contact manager, let's say you went from Salesforce or Goldline or whatever it is, and you wanted to import the data, you can import all those fields too. Simple and easy to do. Connect rocks when it comes to expanding your empire and customizing. Thanks.